In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to change your NAT type to open in Black Ops 2 on PS5. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by restarting the game and your PS5. You can also reset your router by unplugging it for a few minutes, then reconnecting everything. Next, go ahead and open the PS5 settings and go over to Network. Go down to Settings and press Set up Internet Connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired Ethernet cable connection, just like I have right here, since this can improve stability and may change your NAT type alone. You can also test both PS5 and PS4 versions of the game to see which one gives you a better connection. But if that doesn't work, you can go back to Settings also, back to Network, Settings, Set up Internet Connection, and press the Options button on your internet connection and go down to Wi-Fi frequency bands and test each available option you see here. Restart the game after every change to make this work. And if this doesn't work for you, the last thing you can try is Advanced Settings. Go down to DNS settings, set this to manual, and set the primary DNS to 1.1.1.1 and the secondary DNS to 1.0.0.1. Hit OK, reconnect to the network, check your NAT type again in the game's network settings. You can also press square to change the search setting to any. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.